Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Aries, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that may clear your doubts or answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Sun, World, and Ace of Earth. So, in your circumstances, guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are, in the right place today. So you have done everything in your limit. You have worked hard, made all the efforts necessary. You have your skills and talents, and you are working with dedication and devotion. And that is the reason you are seeing success, the first steps towards success in your life today. So the results for your work or the returns for your work is reaching you. You are happy for it, happy because it is something wonderful coming your way. Abundance, prosperity, and success is what you see today, guys. So this may be a situation in your work or in your relationship. You have a better understanding with this person, and you are simply happy to be in this relationship with them. You have a better understanding. You do not have any fears. You do not have any worries because you have withstood all that difficult times you had, and you have worked together in those difficult times, and you have a clear understanding with this person, and things are really positive between you both, and you are moving towards a beautiful, meaningful connection, guys, in your relationship. And you feel really happy, content, and inspired. And in your day to day living, you feel really confident and positive about your circumstances, and you feel a sense of completion and gratitude in your heart towards your circumstances. Things are going in a very positive way, guys. So in your career, maybe the projects are moving towards a successful completion. The same way in your relationship, everything is flourishing, moving towards something really good, prosperous, and abundant times are up ahead. So that is what I see, guys. Success and prosperity. That is what I see with these cards, Aries. So for your relationship, we have King of Water. So with this card, it looks like in your relationship with this person you love, you are someone who is really a gentle soul, and you are a loving and caring person. And maybe today you are really fair, being fair, having that balanced attitude. So you see things with clarity. That is what we were speaking about in the previous cards, guys. So you feel respected, valued, and cared for by this person the same way you are respecting, caring, and you listen to this person you love. So that may be the reason for this beautiful understanding. Maybe This connection, it may be a soulmate connection, guys. That may be the reason we have this level of depth in your connection, guys, in your relationship, Aries. So for your career situation, guys, we have Chariot. So positive growth or movement is what I see, guys, and you are seeing success in everything whatever you choose, and you have overcome all the difficulties you have faced, and you are seeing success in your life, Aries, today. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today, and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself, So, from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.